Severe thunderstorm warning just issued for Warren County.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County, northwestern Warren County in southwestern Ohio, southeastern Preble County, northeastern Butler County in southwestern Ohio, until 3 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near 7 Mile, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hamilton, Middletown, Fairfield, Oxford, Miamisburg, Springboro, Monroe, Trenton, Franklin, Carlisle, South Middletown, Gratis, 7 Mile, Williamsville, Dartown, Hunter, Germantown, New Miami, Farmersville, and Somerville. This includes Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 28 and 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.